Welcome back to our home edition video series where we are adding on to our house and doing a lot of the work ourselves. In our last video, we were staining boards for our tongue and groove shiplap ceiling, installing some insulation, some a little sketchily, and we were able to start bringing in our sheetrock and installing it. In this video, our house transforms a ton and we install a lot more sheetrock. Corey's brother Joe and his entire family came over to help us with this so that we could try to get everything done before our baby shower in just a few days. I am drawing lines to be able to see where to put screws once the whole wall is covered by sheetrock. This is something Amanda kind of takes over after a little while.
It'll be as straight as the concrete.
No frame that would be big enough. Originally Joe was just looking at little. I'm always impressed by how much Joe and Corey get done when they work together. They work very well together and they don't even talk that much. Somehow they just kind of work well. I figured I would clean up the master bedroom so that it's easier to install sheetrock in here. Keeping up with the mess that we're constantly making is a full-time chore in this addition.
Out there.
What? What, sun?
Sprinkling. Silly having one sideways and all the other ones are vertical.
This is all gonna get covered anyways.
It's over by the refrigerator.
Geez, why don't you have hands belt at here?
I have multiple belts because he doesn't wear it. It's somewhere with the Speedo. Yeah, exactly. Sugar, you ready? Oh, look at that. I even put a nailer up there.
You have screws in your pocket?
That is that one, right? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, shit. We gotta put that one there because I want to butt up against it.
Love from the first light. I was taking you, stirred from a dream. You were not yet awakened. I knew this feeling would stay always. But some things in life you can be certain, like birds in season who keep returning. I'll fly across the ocean and never lose my way. As long as stars are in.
Yesterday was the day that we were here and we were putting up sheetrock. Joe, Corey's brother, was here and his whole family, and we got a lot accomplished, but I ended up having to leave to go take pictures in the evening, and they kept working, so I wanted to do a walkthrough of everything we accomplished yesterday. This is our hallway. all this sheetrock. There's trash in the bathroom that we have to deal with. And the living room, which is dark because it's starting to get dark already. But this room is almost completely sheetrocked, which is super impressive. We still have to do this part because we're gonna have like bump outs and windowsill seating. So that has to be built before we put the sheetrock up at the top. Down this way, we have our master bedroom, which is starting to look like a bedroom. And again, we're missing a couple pieces of sheetrock, but for the most part, it looks like a room now. Ta-da! Through this door is our master closet, which is pretty dark right now with no lights in there and no windows. But this room, I don't know if you can even see, has some sheetrock. The ceiling sheetrock is up, which is super helpful because without Joe, Corey and I would have had a hard time doing that. And the master bathroom, basically nothing has changed. We put a lot of stuff in here just to get it out of the bedroom and closet while we were putting up sheetrock. So the bathrooms kind of got a little messy. Corey is carrying some insulation up the steps, but he's paused because I'm recording and he was being very loud. Thanks for waiting.
Always in the way or too loud or holding up production, camera production that is.
Up here, you can see the sheetrock all the way up the side of the stairs to the ceiling here. Excuse me, Colt. Has been installed, and that was also very helpful because I did not know how we were going to do that sheetrock with no floor there. But I guess Joe and Corey did it, and they were doing sketchy things like straddling across this stairway to hold up the sheets. But they got it done and nobody's injured. This is our moving room. None of these are installed yet. They're just sitting here. But again, super helpful that Joe was here to carry those upstairs because those are gigantic sheets of sheetrock and very heavy for me. And then this is our upstairs utility room, which has some sheetrock. It's pretty dark, but we got so much done yesterday. I'm completely impressed. We still have some insulation. I know it's dark back here, but we still have some insulation we need to install, especially in the playroom upstairs. So this is our playroom. Needs insulation, but other than that, the addition is mostly insulated. There's that part that needs insulation, and then this little dormer that needs some insulation, but like the ceiling's done. Most part it's done. We have insulation to install. We just have to do it. Corey's trying to work, but he's also trying to be quiet so I can record. So I'll talk to you later. Nice work, honey.
I moved the fridge.
You moved the fridge.
Much easier.
Oh yeah,
Look at that. Yeah.
That's a good spot for the
That's what
fridge.
it's all about. Ease of drink access.
We have a lot of family and want to be able to have everyone over at the same time. So Corey had this idea that we turn the windowsills into potential extra seating. That's why he has been making the cement slabs to go in the windowsill. I think it'll look nice and also double as seating. So he has framed in those seats and now is building out the structure, like fake beams in between the seats. This is something that he kind of had this master plan for and is pulling it together while I think I was at work this day. So I came home and this was all framed out, and honestly, I love the idea. I think it's kind of cool and unique. I just like the character of our own little touches on our house.
If I fall, I'm gonna land on that. But
Yeah, don't fall. Oh my gosh. He uses ladders like you.
What? You watch the master at work.
Corey worked on mudding and taping the sheetrock in the addition every day for such a long time. This was one of the first days that he was working on that, and meanwhile, Ethan was going around and putting all the screws in the sheetrock that still needed to be put in place.
Just a big kid playing in mud.
As the baby shower date got closer and closer, we worked more and more frequently on the addition, spending pretty much all of our free time working on this. Corey especially really wanted everything to be perfect. We were both very excited to be hosting for the first time in our addition and just wanted it to look as nice as possible, even though obviously it wasn't going to be completely finished. Wow. That is way better than I thought it was gonna go. It's not perfect, but pretty darn close.
The cover will cover.
Yeah, that was pretty good. So that's our outlet for our TV in our bedroom.
Yep.
That we just covered up with the sheet without knowing exactly where it was, so we had to look back at footage. Wow, this looks so great.
Pull it out. We're gonna flop it down. Finish cutting. Lovely. Hold on. Okay, now we just gotta walk straight over. Close the door.
I'm not as strong as you.
I know.
Did it just break?
I broke my bit.
I don't know. So I guess we're done?
Oh, I have another bit, but I guess we can eat.
Got this wall insulated. Well, Corey did. And then
Why is it insulated?
we're insulating it so that there's soundproof barrier between the bedroom and the living room, at least a little bit.
And it doubles as a fire block.
And it's fire safety. And then we put these sheetrock pieces up. So now we only have a little tiny bit of sheetrock left for our bedroom. We have some over here too that we need to put in. That's it. And then our whole bedroom will be sheetrocked and we just need to mud and tape everything in here. In our next video, we will finally be actually opening the doorway to the addition, as well as putting some kind of like fake stucco-y texture on the walls and some regular old spray texture on other walls as the seasons change and we get closer and closer to hosting our baby shower.